Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 10th annual Europa Property Investment and Manufacturing Awards. This year, as you can see, we're live and online, transmitting to the world.
And the next category is M&A Insurance Firm of the Year.
And we have two nominees in this category, and these are Liberty GTS and March.
Okay, and let's just see who the winner of this category is. Yeah, they're quite exciting, these M&A ones, aren't they? Yeah. So moving on, and the winner is Liberty. And some music and some round of applause.
Congratulations, Liberty.
Congratulations,
GTS.
Liberty.
Well done.